In 1931, during the Great Depression and in a city divided by race, Elijah Poole met Wallace D. Fard, known as Master Fard Muhammad, who brought a message of empowerment, pride in one's race, and a call to reconnect with their Islamic faith. Master Fard Muhammad's teachings resonated with Elijah, who saw them as both a spiritual awakening and a bold new vision for Black identity. Master Fard Muhammad's emphasis on self-reliance and challenging the negative racial stereotypes set by white society presented a fresh way forward. Under Master Fard Muhammad's mentorship, Elijah Poole underwent a significant transformation. Adopting the name Elijah Muhammad signified his rebirth into a new identity and his total commitment to Master Fard Muhammad's vision. This name change was both personal and symbolic, marking his leadership role within the growing movement. After Master Fard Muhammad's mysterious disappearance in 1934, the Most Honorable Elijah Muhammad was propelled into a leadership role. With a community in need of guidance and a message that promised a revolutionary redefinition of identity, the Most Honorable Elijah Muhammad stepped forward to lead the Nation of Islam, NOI, into its next chapter. As the leader of the NOI, the Most Honorable Elijah Muhammad expanded upon Master Fard Muhammad's teachings, creating a detailed religious and social framework that emphasized economic empowerment and racial pride. He established the NOI's unique beliefs, practices, and organizational structure. To solidify the NOI's infrastructure, the Most Honorable Elijah Muhammad built mosques, or temples, across the United States, which served as centers for worship, community engagement, and education, thereby enhancing the NOI's growth and presence. He provided a holistic way of life for members, integrating teachings on diet, dress, morality, and family life with a distinctive religious practice that combined Islam with a unique interpretation of Black history and identity. This approach was designed as a remedy to the systemic racism and degradation faced by Blacks in society. Part of the NOI's message under the Most Honorable Elijah Muhammad was the importance of physical and spiritual health. Members were encouraged to follow strict dietary laws, abstain from substances like drugs, alcohol, and tobacco, and engage in practices that promote mental and physical well-being. Under the Most Honorable Elijah Muhammad's direction, the NOI actively engaged in projects and advocacy efforts to address the social and economic challenges facing the Black community stemming from systemic racism. His mission for the NOI was to reintroduce Islam to Black people, not merely as a religion, but as a way of life aimed at liberating Black Americans from the spiritual and social confines imposed by a racially prejudiced society. His teachings, tailored specifically for the Black man and Black woman in America, focused on their mental, physical, and spiritual well-being, transforming millions of lives for generations. He proclaimed Master Fard Muhammad as a divine figure sent to awaken Black Americans to their true religion, Islam, and potential, substantiated by his success in establishing a nation within a nation. The Most Honorable Elijah Muhammad's message extended beyond Black Americans to the American government, as articulated in What the Muslims Want. His mantra was to do for self. Rather than waiting for governmental action, he built a self-sufficient community, referring to Black Americans as the original Asiatic Black man, emphasizing their identity and heritage. Master Fard Muhammad's teachings, presented as a way of life, aimed to liberate Black Americans from the chains of a prejudiced society. At the heart of the NOI's teachings was the belief that Black Americans were the Earth's original inhabitants, descended directly from God and occupying a vital role in the divine hierarchy. This narrative aimed to alter the historical portrayal of Black Americans, presenting them not as descendants of the enslaved, but as heirs to a rich divine legacy. The Most Honorable Elijah Muhammad's mission extended beyond spiritual and social upliftment to include economic empowerment.
That's a wrap, history seekers. Catch the full story on YouTube. Thanks for watching. Peace and love.